when the child takes birth and he opens the mouth for the first time and tongue drops, Shakti and Shiva becomes two. The moment the tongue is dropped from the palate, the mind starts to activate itself. And the first breath of life comes. It's called Ah. What is this called? Ah. The first song you sang when you came out of the womb of the mother, Hiranyagarbha, the golden womb of life. Now that's the mother's womb. Om Hiranyagarbha samvrattagrehi bhutasya jataha patirekasīt in the Vedas. You come out of that golden womb where life developed, and when you came out, the tongue dropped and the first breath of life came in. And the first song you sang, Ah, Ah, Ah. And life starts. And then with time, Ah, E, U, and all these Bhavan Akhara Lok Tra Sab Kich Inhi Mahi, you gave birth to the 52 sacred Psalms, the Guru says.